Well, Pluto has been a huge topic here at NASA, but even bigger lately, the Webb telescope, a great telescope.
And yes, we talked a lot about that at 6:30, but we've been receiving images like this, doing research, or I should say the scientists here at NASA have, for the past 25 years,
Yeah.
thanks to the Hubble telescope, probably a name that's very familiar to a lot of people. To talk more about this, we have Patty Boyd, who is the Hubble's deputy project scientist, and incredible, you've been working with NASA for almost the entire duration of Hubble.
Well, I came to NASA about 22 years ago, so Hubble had just launched. I worked on one of the first generation instruments that was replaced by COSTAR, the corrective optics, because when Hubble was launched, its primary mirror had a slight defect that could be fixed with like a contact lens. So that was launched soon after I got here. I've worked on a lot of other missions, but came back to Hubble recently in its newest incantation with its newest
Yeah,
instruments.
when you launch something, it's an ongoing process to calibrate it, to you were talking about how you learn of how things break down in space. That's an important thing for us to learn as well. Now, tell us a little bit more why it is important to have a telescope out in space rather than here on the Earth's surface.
Sure. I mean, that's what we do here at NASA Goddard. We send instruments out into space because of the great advantage of going into space. And what we get to do is go beyond the atmosphere. The atmosphere actually blocks parts of the light from getting to Earth. It blocks ultraviolet and X-ray, and that actually allows life to flourish. But that tells us really important things about what's going on in the universe when we expand our vision beyond the visible. So we get to go into the ultraviolet, the X-ray, and the infrared by going into space.
And NASA has one heck of a timeline, landing on the moon or Webb telescope. And I think each of these moments, new scientists are born, and I think that's pretty important, isn't it?
I think it really is. I think there's so much inspiration out there from space science missions. You're seeing it this week with Pluto. You know, we're finally getting a crystal clear view of a planet that's at the edge of our solar system, and it makes you wonder, like, what's beyond there? What else will we find out with the next missions? And I myself was inspired by some of those earlier missions, and I'm really hoping that the next generation of scientists is watching what's happening here at NASA, Pluto, and beyond, and thinking, wow, I want to do that too.
Wonderful. I'm telling you, there's no more exciting place to work, I think, than NASA right now. A great time here for us. We're not done yet. We'll wrap things all up in just a moment. Back to you guys in the studio.